In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update Google Files app. By updating Files app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. You'll also be able to fix any errors or issues that might be associated with your Files app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now to update Files app by Google, just go to Google Play Store and open it. And then using the search function here, just search for file, and Files is here. Now, as you can see, if I tap on it, we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of Files by Google. To update, just tap on update. And this will download the latest version of Google Files and then install it on your smartphone. Now, once the app is installed, now you can proceed and open it from here to start using the latest version of Google Files app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.